because it felt so hard. I think it has a really big core inside. Oh my gosh! In this box right here, we have thunder eggs. These thunder eggs right here are from Richardson's ranch in Oregon, and these ones right here are from somewhere located in the Pacific Northwest. And I recently cut a few thunder eggs that were sent to me, and I got some help with how to cut them from Kyle over at World of Rockhounds. And after talking with him, he sent that box over of thunder eggs for us to cut. So I'm really excited to see what is going on inside because I had so much fun cutting open that last batch. Oh my gosh, look at that! I seriously have thunder egg fever. Look at this. That is so beautiful. It looks like an alien egg. But we're gonna fill this baby up and we'll get to cutting. Alrighty, let's take a peek. Oh my gosh, look at those beautiful water level agate bands inside that. Gosh. That is so sweet. Let's check out this other one. This is the smaller of the two that we just cut. Oh, that's sweet. More water level bands. Seems like that's kind of a common theme with these thunder eggs. That's awesome. Let's cut this this little itty bitty baby one, and we'll go with the bigger one. Let's do this guy right here. Let's take a peek at this little one right here. Oh wow, that it's got little it's like a little geo thunder egg. It's got some crystal bugs in there and really beautiful bands all around it. Oh wow, that's pretty blue. Pretty sweet. I like that a lot though. Love that blue. All right, let's cut a few more. Man, we are filling up this bucket full of beautiful thunder eggs, but let's move on and cut a few more from Richardson Ranch. So we got through those cuts with these, and I snuck a peek at 2 of the 3, and this one, I don't know if I've seen one with as much moss as this yet. A lot of yellow in there, it's pretty. And then the second one we cut, I snuck a little peek at. There. Look at that. Wow, that is so beautiful. And the third one here, I have not looked at this one yet, so I'm excited to see it with you guys. Oh my goodness. I haven't, oh wow. This is one of my favorite ones so far. The bands in there. Oh my goodness. Some water level peeking through down here. Oranges, red, some red up here. Oh, that is really cool. I'll be polishing this one for sure. A lot of these I'll be polishing. This is awesome. So we only have 2 more from Richardson Ranch. These big boys right here. And then these 3 were the randomly found throughout the Pacific Northwest, but this almost looks like a double thunder egg. I don't know if that's possible, but we're gonna cut this right down the middle, and I'm gonna save this one for last because it is so unique looking. Alright, so I haven't snuck a peek at either of these. Really looking forward to checking them out with you. Oh, that is sweet. The details in that. Oh my gosh. Man, that is amazing. Thunder eggs are awesome. They're so cool. Get out. It's like a perfect star. It's like a, well, you know what I mean. It's a star with beautiful agate bands inside. Oh man. That's sweet. That's the most star-like pattern I've seen. Awesome. And on to these big two. So we got through those ones, and this guy right here, it actually cut pretty quick. So I'm thinking that there wasn't a huge core to it. Let's check it out. Oh, there was a big core. Look at that really beautiful banding going on in there. Love that yellowish orange in there. That is super cool. And then this big guy, this one took a little bit longer, and because it felt so hard, I think it has a really big core inside. Oh my gosh! It does have a big core, and that is the best one of all these so far, in my opinion. I love that. That is unbelievable. Oh my goodness. Oh, that's cool. Wow. Magnificent. That's probably the best thunder egg I've ever cut ever. Oh, I'm so happy to get to share it with all you two. That is so sweet. Let's cut that last one. And I'm gonna hit my blade one last time with my dressing stick to sharpen it up, just because this one is, like I said, kind of a double looking thing, and I don't want this to fracture and come apart or anything, so I want the blade to be as sharp as possible. All right, the last one. It stayed together and whole. Got it rinsed off. Yes! I think that's in contention with the last one for the best thunder egg of all of these. That's got so much going on. Gosh. Oh, that is so cool. There's so much going on inside that. Wow, that is amazing. You had to hose all these thunder eggs down because they're so dang hot. Look at all the beautiful cores that we got to cut open today. Another huge thank you to World of Rock Hunts for sending this over to us so we could cut it and show it to all of you. These are amazing, and I think my favorite one has to be this guy right here. So beautiful. This one too. Man, there's just so many of them that are absolutely spectacular. So beautiful. I cannot wait to get these on the Cab King and polish a bunch of these up. What do you think, Bentley? You like the thunder eggs? Well, I had a ton of fun cutting open those thunder eggs, but I gotta get going. My neighbor's cutting up some wood, and well, I hope it's wood. I don't know. Have you seen the movie Fargo? I better go. Bye.